What's the difference between alternate and alternative? Alternate is a noun, adjective, and verb. Alternative is a noun and adjective. Alternate refers to a person who acts as substitute, which is in American English. Alternative refers to two or more available possibilities or choices. Alternate means every second or every other. Alternative means another possibility or choice. Alternate means occur in turn repeatedly, while alternative is not a verb. Alternate is a synonym to alternative when it is used as an adjective in American English. Alternative is not much used as an adjective in American English. And that's the difference between alternate and alternative.